All right, guys, this is where I'm at. So I'm gonna try to mix one of the paint with some water, called water paint, and I'm gonna start the paintings. I have to get one more white for the top, which is like I'm gonna put all of this yellow thing in green, and the passageway, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe I put the chili. I will see how it looks. But I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some greens right around. I'm gonna keep this color. It's called June plum. I'm gonna turn all this wall into green as well, and that little white part up there gonna go into green. In the kitchen gonna go into the chili. So all green. All right, so I'm gonna try to mix this. All right, my peeps, so this is how the June plum is looking. It's so pretty. I love it. So you can go ahead and paint it like that, but I'm gonna put like a little bit in over there, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water because I don't want to put all water in here and then spoil. So I'm not painter. I'm gonna try a thing. Put a little bit in here, and then I add some water. All right, guys, so I mix it, and I'm gonna paint this wall. All right. I hope you don't mix too watery, you know, come in. Water paint, you know? Yeah, but we didn't want it too weak. Oh, this all right. All right, guys, so I'm gonna paint the entire thing. Watch I brush no good. You mean not like when they sit and come off, really? Oh. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and paint. Try a thing, paint this wall. And then I'm gonna come back and show you what I did. If we can pass. Sorry. You know if we paint. Sorry, so yeah. Well, once in a year the paint now show and die. Not you come in. I paint that paint. Alright guys. I love this color Camille. It's so pretty, eh? Alright guys. Me a labor right. No, me no labor right. Me neutral. Alright guys, I'll be back. Orange in this too. So see, green and orange. You see what me I talk about, guys? Me a both. Alright guys, I change it over. I put my rolling pin, my, what you call this, roller set. I bought this. You know how expensive can be? $1,500. And this they sell at the store. Oh my god. Alright guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna start again. Put a little bit here, so make sure I roll. No, overdo it. Yes, what do you call it? Oh, what lot of people go to school today? Oh, at every school. Alright, guys, this is easier. Take time and roll it out. Don't put too much on the brush one time. Alright, guys. Sunny, come charge this for me. I'm gonna do this, guys, and I'm gonna come back. I have to go get one chair. And we do more. I want to paint the whole light of paint. I know yellow. I don't want no yellow there. Well, yellow no look not. You mean left yellow and I arch? So you can use white. Change it to white. Alright, Parry, just no paint here so in a yellow, you hear? No change here, but change up this up because. Put white and white. White? Or we could have put some more yellow and green look good. Me have one look bit of yellow. Me don't have no white. Me just put back a little yellow there. Yellow and the green look good, man. No go to the ceiling, Parry. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I never really say you can't go close. Me I go paint this in a green too, you know. That wall there? Because the kitchen no come here so sort this off the green. Me like it green, man. Alright, my peeps, I am full of paint. Look at my hands. And this is where I'm at. I put one coat over it. And then this is the second coat. I'm going to leave it like that now, guys, when it dry. Woo! So we put one coat already, guys, and the next coat over it to dry. I'm not going to put any more on it. I'm going to let it dry. I did that side over there. I did up there. I just have to go up with the paintbrush and just touch up the top. I'll show you after, guys. All right, guys, I just painted the bathroom. put one coat on it. I need to put some more because the face base I haven't put up yet, so I have to leave that space. They're gonna put the whatever in it. I put one coat, and this need to be growth, I don't know. All right, so that's the bathroom. That's how it's looking so far. All right, now in this passageway, because I painted that yesterday, I didn't paint the kitchen yet. Now in this passageway, I have the chili. I'm gonna put white in the ceiling, but right in this passageway here, I start to paint it in chili. It's like a hot pink, reddish pink, or pink red, I don't know. It's a chili. So this is what I'm doing. This is how it's looking now, and I'll show you when it's done. So I mixed it. Current gone, guys, it's dark in here. So I mix it. It was too thick. I add some water because it's water paint, and then I'm just painting it like that. All right. I'll come back when it's done and I'll show you. All right, guys, this is where I'm at. I have to paint the ceiling still, but this bathroom wall is done. Don't look out this one. The hallway wall is done, the passage, and I need to paint these in white strips. All right, so the back room still need to be painted. Nothing done there. It has to rub down first, and sorry, it's hard. My brother gotta rub that down for me. All right, I paint the living room already. The kitchen I'm painting. Can you see that, guys? So I'm putting it in that color. So I put one coat on it, and I need to put another coat on it, and then I'm gonna tile the orange part right around. Yeah, I think I might let the yellow stay in the window, or maybe I put white. So I have to put one more coat over it, and when it's done, it's gonna look something like this. I'm tired. All right, my peeps, I finished painting the kitchen. I haven't painted down in the corner over there because I don't know how far the tile gonna go over the stove, so I painted. Only the ceilings left, but I get somebody have to do that job for me. All right, guys, so when I get the backsplash, I'll show you, and when the guy's gonna put it up, and that's about it for the kitchen. And my daughter is sleeping away. And this is how I'm looking with no teeth on or no teeth in. Alright, guys, nobody watch your fan if I know I'm clean. Must I say, look on this hot girl with dirty fan. What about it? You know, hot, so you understand. Alright, oh, that's the basin over there, guys, right there. Alright, guys, good morning, world. I had so much things to do, I forgot to make my video. I cooked yam for myself. I cooked yam brown stew, but I did brown stew already, that's why I didn't make the video. Yam dasheen and two type of yam, renta and yellow yam, as known as apple yam, and dumplings. So that's what I had for dinner, and some brown stew chicken.